Hi guys, welcome back to another Dyson video. So if you're here, you have a pulsing Dyson. The reason it's doing this is it's telling you is not enough airflow over the motor to keep it cool, so there is a blockage. Most commonly, it's in here. So this is your filter. There is a rear filter here. I've done a video on cleaning that, but this is your main filter. They tell you to wash this under the tap, but what they don't tell you to do is to clean it out inside. So normally this gets very dirty inside because the airflow actually comes up through here into there and then filters from here out. So this gets very full. So to clean this out, all you have to do is hold the filter, give it a twist, and you will just see it will unclip just like so. And what you can do is you can slide this off. You'll find that this is full of crust and crud and dust, so you need to wash this out properly under the tap. So that is one of the main reasons it pulses, but then it will also pulse like that if there's a blockage in the pipe. So you need to take the pipe off, check all your accessories to make sure there is nothing blocking the airflow. If there is, you need to remove it. And in here we have got something which we just need to take out. And then once you've looked in here, you can also double click the bin to remove it, give it a pull, and then you can have a look in here. You can just see in there, you just need to make sure that this flap is working as it should and there is nothing stuck behind this flap stopping it from opening all the way and letting that airflow through. Obviously if there's anything in there, remove that, but that will be the other reason it's pulsing. So just make sure there is nothing blocking the airflow. We'll turn the bin so that, pop the back on, clip the front in first, push the back in here and then push it up. And there you go. That's how to fix your Dyson pulsing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.